when you're doing the graph of an inequality as opposed to an equation? What else do you have to do with an inequality?
Shading.
You have to do shading, yeah. So today we're going to be doing kind of the same thing as yesterday, except instead of looking for one specific point where two lines cross, we're going to be looking for a place where two shaded areas cross. Okay? So for that first one, y is less than or equal to x plus 4.
On the wrong page.
Where you should be. Flip back one maybe. There you go. Yep. Where am I going to start that graph?
4.
4 on the y-axis, right? And my slope is, yep, so it's 1, so you're going to go up 1 over 1. Remember to look out for dotted lines and solid lines. Which one's this going to be?
Solid.
Solid. And shading above or below?
Above. And then below.
This is less than, so you're going to shade everything down here. So you've already done that, right? Like that's the same as what we've done before. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other one. So what's my y-intercept here?
No, not 1. 0.
0. And my slope is -2, so I'm going to go down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1. Also a solid line, right, because there's an equal bar there. And shading above or below for that one. That's greater than, so you're shading above. So when you do one of these, do you see that your graph kind of gets divided into 4 pieces? Like the 2 lines cross and it makes these 4 V's. And one of those sections gets shaded twice. This whole like triangle region over here got shaded twice. That is your solution. And so what you want to do, sure, let's try crayon here.
Is that quadrant?
Crayon.
Crayon, no crayon.
Is you want to shade that area in just with your pencil. Just make it a little darker than the rest. Okay, to show that this whole region is where we double shaded, so that's where your solution is.
That's all we're doing today? Then what do we do with A and B?
I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're double shading this region because this is the one that got shaded both times. Okay.
Starts to look confusing.
It starts to look confusing, but it's really not. If you just treat it like 2 separate problems on the same graph.
colors.
This is true.
Maybe if you all use the same.
Look at those.
Yeah, and with pencil, as long as you darken it in, you know, it's okay. But if you want, I'll pull out colored pencils for you to work with. Some people like colored pencils. So, okay. So then A and B say identify 2 points that are solutions, and then identify 2 points that are not. So everything that I colored in green here
0.
is a solution. So give me something that's in the green section. 3, 0.
4, 0.
Yep, that's right here. 3, 0. 4, 0 would work. Okay, you could go on forever. So if the green section is where the solutions are, where are the things that are not solutions?
-4, -4.
Okay, everywhere else, right? -4, -4.
0, 4. And then 0, 3.
Okay.
Oh.
It's really cold. We'll do 0, 0.
Yeah, it's actually the draft in here.
I feel like 0, 0 feels good.
Thank you. I like to have lunch and breakfast.
The
Thank you
draft.
so much.
Hey, Trent, can I borrow your sweatshirt?
Not your neighbor. That's my mom.
Mom's, I can't give it away, sorry.
We'll take care of the window in just a minute.
Can I text your mom? I
Alright.
do have her number since you
Guys.
texted her.
Jake. Okay, what else? Give me something else that's not a solution.
3, -3.
0, 3.
3, -3. That one actually might be, that is a solution.
Are you kidding?
Yeah,
Yeah,
mine.
see, 0, 0, 3.
0, 3. Also a solution, it's in the green area.
Alright, 0, -3. Boom.
Let's go.
0, -3. There you go.
5, 0.
5, 0 is also in the green.
0, 5.
0, 5 would work. Okay. So I'm just asking you to pick points that are a solution or are not a solution. Okay? Next one. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. What do I do with that? How do I graph that?
Straight line.
Nope.
Over, up 1.
Starting at 1.
Oh, wait, no. Yeah, up 1.
And then my slope tells me to go,
Rise 1, then over 2.
good, up 1 over 2. Dotted line or solid line?
Solid line.
Solid line. And shading below the line.
Alright, so
I did that part,
Okay?
but I don't know how to do the next part.
What, graphing the other line?
Yeah.
Okay.
Minus M.
Yeah, I would move this over. So I would subtract x and subtract x.
That's it.
So you get
Wow.
y is less than, and I'm going to write this as negative x plus 3.
I feel dumb.
Okay?
Oh, I thought we were doing the where you like go up one, and then you go over, or you go up another one, and then over two, and then you mark that.
Yeah, that's what we did. We just did that one. So this one here, we went up 1. And then we went
I
up
didn't think
one
you
over
marked
two.
that though. I didn't think you marked like only going up one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right there. So then this one I'm going to go up 3 to start, right? And then where does that negative tell me to go?
Down 1.
Yep, down 1 over 1. Okay. What kind of line am I drawing this time?
Dotted.
Dotted. So it is okay if like one is dotted and one is solid.
And then you're gonna do below the line.
Shade below the line.
So that's only in that area.
And so then you get that lower part of the graph where you shaded twice.
-2, -2.
Okay, that would work. All of this is my double shade. And like I said, with a pencil, you could just kind of, I usually do my shading really lightly at first, and then I darken in the section
Oh,
that
now you tell me.
should be double shaded. Sorry. Okay, so you said -2 would be right here, so that is a solution.
0,
-2, comma 1. Or
What
-2,
about
2.
the coordinate 0, 1?
Yes.
No. No.
It's right there.
Yes. Yes, it would work.
That's on a solid line, so that one would be included. However, what about the coordinate 3, 0, this guy
No.
over here?
No.
No, because that's on a dotted line. So solid lines are okay, dotted lines are not.
That's so true.
Okay? And so then anything that's not a solution, give me something that's not a solution.
100, comma 1.
-3, 3. Say it again, Jake.
100, comma 100.
Sure, 100, comma 100 be way up here someplace. Good. One more. Y is greater than 3x minus 4. So I'm going to start at -4 and go
Up 3.
up 3 over 1. Up 3 and over 1. Dotted line this time, right? And shading which direction? Above. Good. So all of this gets shaded. How am I going to graph that other one? Do you want to move it around, get it in slope intercept form? I probably would
I'm
look for
feeling like
intercepts.
we're gonna minus that 2x.
So then I would get, I'm
Both
going to do this
sides.
kind of off to the side, so I would get -5y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 20. Okay, and then I would divide by -5. Now I'm dividing by -5 with an inequality. Does that freak anybody out?
Yeah.
Yep, flip the sign, because you're dividing by a negative, so that has to flip. This is going to become positive 2/5 x minus 4. And so then your y-intercept is -4, so it's the same as this one. You're going to go up 2 and over 5. Could also go down 2 and left 5. And then your, let's see, that's going to be a solid line. And you're shading below. So this one's kind of hard to see where the double shaded is, but it's this little V down here, kind of off the graph. So then someone name me a coordinate that would be in there.
Oh, I'm feeling -3, -5.
-3, -5. Yep. -3, -5 might be, no, it's not right on the line, but
Close enough.
but I think it would be, pretty sure it would be under the line.
Maybe,
What else we got?
-2, -5.
And that means all of this is your non-solutions.
+4 or 4.
Okay, so
Or
4,
4,
4.
4, 2.
4, 2, sure. Okay, think you can manage that today?
I don't know. That looks really hard. I think I might need some help. I think I might put Jasper.